Please like, share and subscribe. Peonies are herbaceous perennial plants belonging to the Peoniaceae family, known for their large, showy, and fragrant flowers. These beloved ornamental plants have been cultivated for centuries and are cherished for their beauty and resilience. Here are some key features of peonies. 1. Flower characteristics. Peony flowers are typically large, with multiple layers of petals that create a lush and full appearance. They come in a wide range of colors, including shades of white, pink, red, coral, and yellow. Some varieties even have contrasting colored centers or streaks on the petals. 2. Fragrance. Many peony varieties have a delightful fragrance, ranging from subtle and sweet to intense and spicy. The scent of peonies adds to their allure and makes them popular choices for bouquets and floral arrangements. 3. Variety. There are 3 main types of peonies: herbaceous peonies, tree peonies, and intersectional peonies, also known as peonies. Herbaceous peonies die back to the ground in winter and regrow from underground rhizomes in spring, while tree peonies have woody stems and retain their structure year-round. Intersectional peonies are hybrids between herbaceous and tree peonies, combining the best traits of both types. 4. Blooming period. Peonies typically bloom in late spring to early summer, although the exact timing depends on the variety and local climate. The flowers may last for several days to a week, providing an extended period of beauty in the garden. 5. Growing conditions. Peonies prefer well-draining soil and full sun to partial shade. They are relatively low-maintenance plants once established, requiring minimal watering and fertilization. However, they benefit from occasional mulching division every few years to rejuvenate the plants and prevent overcrowding. 6. Landscape use. Peonies are versatile plants that can be used in various ways in the landscape. They make stunning focal points in garden beds and borders, as well as charming additions to cottage gardens, formal landscapes, and cutting gardens. Peonies also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies to the garden. 7. Symbolism. Peonies have rich cultural and symbolic significance in many cultures around the world. They are often associated with romance, prosperity, and good fortune, making them popular flowers for weddings, celebrations, and gifts. Overall, peonies are cherished for their exquisite beauty, enchanting fragrance, and timeless appeal, making them beloved additions to gardens and floral arrangements worldwide.